Hi guys, it's Scott, and I'm here at lunch. I'm at PDQ, which means People Dedicated to Quality. I never knew that. This is my first time at PDQ Chicken, and we're gonna see what we got. I got a classic chicken sandwich. I think I got French fries. I got a meal, and I got a unsweetened iced tea that says just chillin'. So let's see what we got here. Unsweetened iced tea, got a little flavor. So, and we got their bag. Never saw their bag before. Nice chicken, PDQ chicken on there. And, 100% real and made to order, and so there's a lot of weight to it, this bag. I don't know what they put in it, and I have no idea what they charged me either, but I think it was about $13 or $14. I got some PDQ sauce, and I guess that's the sandwich. I'm trying to look through the bag here. So this is a nice fry here. We got a nice square box for the fry, and I think we got a nice chicken and maybe like a chicken joke or something on there. It's very nice here. Oh, nice waffle fry. A little salt on there, you need that. Yeah, pretty good. I'll put these over here for now. I'm going to get to the real heart of this meal. Nice foil bag. Just chicken, made simple. Just made. Chicken sandwich. And this is your chicken sandwich. It's on a basic hamburger bun. Here's your chicken, and we're going to take a bite. Oh. A little tough, but the breading has a nice flavor to it, so that's good. I feel like I may not even need their sauce. It's got a nice little zing to it, their breading, so that's pretty good. Got some nice flavor in there. I'm just gonna try their sauce in the with a French fry. Yeah, it's a little spicy. I didn't know that. Not bad. Not bad. I think I need a sip of my soda. A little spicy, that sauce. So, that's what I got. I didn't get a receipt, so I'm not exactly sure what I paid, but I will see it on my phone, and I'll write it on the description. I don't know if it was expensive or it wasn't expensive. We'll find out. The chicken's pretty good. It was a little tough. It wasn't so, you know, some of the chicken you bite in and it's like, you know, it's easy. But the, it was crispy and it had a really nice flavor. So that's the story. PDQ. Enjoy. Please like and subscribe. Thank you, everyone. Bye-bye.